This is Kimmeridge Bay on the south coast of England. It's part of the Jurassic Coast, a World Heritage Site of international environmental importance. It's a popular place for diving and snorkelling because of the variety of sea life in the area. It's Sunday afternoon and a group of volunteers are getting ready for a day cleaning up the beach. These volunteers are working with the Dorset group of the Wildlife Trust organisation. The Wildlife Trust is the largest voluntary organisation in the UK looking after the environment for wildlife. Over 33,000 volunteers help the organisation every year, working in 47 groups around the country.
Do you find any live?
The group leader today is Steve Chuella. Steve is a photographer, but he has been a volunteer for many years and knows a lot about this area.
Some of you, I know, have already
Before the group starts work, Steve tells them what to look for and how to stay safe.
With buckets and sharp boxes as well.
There's a lot of rubbish on the beach. Most of it is plastic. And some of it is very difficult to see. These are called nurdles. Nurdles are very small pieces of plastic. In factories, they're melted and made into bottles, bags, and all the plastic things we use and buy every day. Over 250 billion tonnes of nurdles are carried around the world to factories every year in huge ships, and millions of them end up in the sea and eventually on beaches around the world. Because they are small and look like fish eggs, lots of birds and animals think they are food and eat them. The volunteers collect over 5 tonnes of rubbish from the beaches in this area every year. It's important work, and the Wildlife Trust needs as many volunteers as possible. So, how do you find out about the organisation?
If we need volunteers, we usually advertise in local papers, or you can find out about it on the internet on the Wildlife Trust websites.
The Dorset volunteers have even got a Facebook group for young people.
A lot of young people want to do this because a lot of young people may want to go into this line of work afterwards, so it's a good experience for them.
And the volunteers can do a variety of jobs.
We help talk to people on the beach, and we help with practical tasks like beach cleaning and snorkel surveys, things like that.
It's not the most relaxing way to spend a Sunday afternoon, but it's definitely rewarding and it's great for the environment.